I got my laser beam. Look at the way that comes out. It's like bubble tape. Oh, come on. Why do they keep saying this? They're eternally grateful for what? We saved them. What? I don't understand. It's a long story. Let's get started with this video, already? Alright, this video we are opening up the new Hasbro Toy Story Play-Doh set featuring Buzz Lightyear. Let's get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tubi Toys, ring the notification bell, and let's get started. Good one, good one.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Take a look at this, guys. We have the new Play-Doh set featuring Buzz Lightyear. Isn't that so super cool? His right arm is a plunger where we're gonna make Play-Doh come out from. There is a cookie cutter of Woody. We also have a safety scissor featuring Rex. And look, this looks like a sword where we can cut our own Play-Doh. And look who it is. It's Mr. Potato Head. And it comes with a bunch of fun colors like yellow, green, brown, purple, and red. You could take a look at the back of the box to get some ideas. They made a Mr. Potato Head out of this little cookie cutter over here. Oh look, they even made the alien. And look, you could make the laser come out of Buzz Lightyear's arm. That's so cool. Look, you can load it, then plunge it out. And you can also press an image of Woody into the dough. Let's see what we can make. I want to definitely make those aliens. That's so super cool. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys by clicking that big red button that says subscribe. And ring that notification bell every time we post a new video or host a giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Let's get started. It's Tiffany here from Tubi Toys. We have the cool new Buzz Lightyear Play-Doh set. It comes with a Woody cookie cutter, Mr. Potato Head cookie cutter with a knife to help cut your Play-Doh safely. And look at that, there's little imprints of him right there. You can make aliens. You can also make his red laser beam come up out of his arm. So let's get started. The only thing I'm gonna add in is white. So let's make one alien and see how he looks. We're gonna need green for the head and for the ears and arms. So let's make a nice big oval, but not too heavy because you don't want him to fall over. We only have green, like enough green to make one decent looking alien. Now we have to make his little antenna. Let's put a little hole at the top. Make these little ears. Starting to look like an alien Yoda. Three holes for his eyes. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to take some white Play-Doh and make 3 little balls. I'm going to take a little bit of brown to make his iris. You saved our lives. We are eternally grateful. He's coming along. Now, let's make his body. We're gonna need blue, and we don't have blue. What are we gonna do? I gotta find blue. Oh my gosh, guys, I found some blue Play-Doh, and it's glow-in-the-dark blue. Now, I know you're probably saying, like, why are you using everything that's not included? Well, I wanted to make the alien, and it has it on the box, and unfortunately, you can't make the alien without blue. I give you purple, but no blue. I cannot make a purple alien. I'm sorry. Well, this is fun to work with. Whoa, this would be good for slime. It's like bubblegum texture. Very cool. Okay, now we need purple for the neck, like the collar. and just wrap it around his neck. So it looks like this is supposed to happen. I'm not gonna bother making the shoes. Now let's put some hands, one little ball, and then split it in two and just add it like this. He looks like he is so tired from traveling in the crane. Oh, help me. I need some help. Let's give him a little bit of detail. Since I can't give him a proper belt, let's give him his planet on his shirt, the Pizza Planet symbol. We need to give it its ring. All right. All right, guys, this is the alien that they wanted you to make on the box. This is my alien. Which alien is better? Let me know in the comments below. Mine with the brown eyes or theirs with the purple eyes? Let me know. Okay, Mr. Alien, let's put you with your friends.
You saved our lives. We're eternally grateful.
Oh, make them stop. Well, at least we know he works. Even though he doesn't look like them, he says the same thing. Let's move it along and let's play with the other colors, and let's test out this Rex dinosaur safety scissor. He's so ferocious, but he doesn't have any arms. All right, don't make fun. I'm gonna load up Buzz Lightyear's arm with this red Play-Doh, and this is going to be his laser, and then we're gonna see if we can cut the red Play-Doh with Rex's scissors. So load it in, and then you could push it down with this purple plunger and get it all in there. Does this move? It does. So now that we have our Play-Doh loaded in, you can press down on the plunger and watch it come out. Cool. I got my laser beam. Look at the way that comes out. It's like bubble tape. Now we need the help of Rex. Come on, Rex. Let's give it a cut. Perfect. You are a great cutter. Why, thank you. Look at this cool ribbon of red Play-Doh. So super cool. Let's cut it up with this cool sword-looking knife. It's a safety knife. Let's cut little strips. Super cool. Let's make Mr. Potato Head now. So we're gonna need some brown Play-Doh. Smush that up. Let's take some out so we have enough for Woody too. Oh, here he is. All right, let's take some of this brown Play-Doh and see if we have enough to make part of Woody. Let's see if we could split it up. So let's make his hat. Oh wow, that came out nice. Here's his hat. Let's mix two colors together. Yellow for Woody's shirt. Cool, look at the detail. And now we have to make his boots and his jeans. So we're gonna use this glow-in-the-dark blue one again, because I don't have the other blue. Oh, we gotta make that belt too. You don't have to separate them by color, but I really just wanted to challenge myself because I feel like this set doesn't have enough. You're gonna get this set for like under 15 bucks at Target and at Walmart. And I think it's a really cute set overall. I just feel like it still doesn't have enough. Like I wish it had more characters and like a better, like more colors too. I don't know. Toy Story, there's just so many different characters. I hope they come out with more Play-Doh sets. That'd be really awesome. Or maybe they'll bring something with like Stinky Pete. That'd be cool. Okay, we gotta do those boots brown. What do you think of this Woody character? I don't know, man. Looking kinda weird. Let's make it without all of these separated colors. Let's use purple. Okay, we got him out. Oh my goodness. So we made a purple Woody. Let's make a green Woody. So if you want to pull it out in one piece, just press it down a little bit and that'll squeeze out some of the dough. Because I'm finding that this dough is like super, super soft. And look, he came out perfect. I like him in green. Let's try making him a glow-in-the-dark Woody. This is super sticky. Okay, let's press down a little bit and we're gonna pull it out. Ooh. Oh my gosh, we almost got him out perfectly. Here is our glow-in-the-dark Woody. Ooh, I forgot to use some red. Why don't we make a red Woody? Look at Woody in red. Let's make Mr. Potato Head in red also. Let's see how he looks. He looks great. Much better. Let's make Mr. Potato Head in yellow. So cool. Unfortunately, we don't have enough colors to do all Mr. Potato Head in different colors. But which colors do you like best for Woody? Do you like green? Do you like the multicolored one with the yellow shirt, the brown belt, brown hat, blue jeans, and brown boots? Or the purple Woody, the blue Woody, or the red Woody? Let me know in the comments below. And who did it better? Did I make Alien better, or do you like the one that's on the box better? I have a couple more surprises to show you, but he has these cool little imprints over here, so you could make your own little mini alien and mini Hamm, and he can make his shuttle. Isn't that cool? So I have some white and I have some red, and I'm gonna make Hamm, and Hamm is pink. So if you mix white and red together, it makes pink. Hamm is a piggy bank. And you know his name when he is a bad guy? Let me know his name in the comments below. I'll give you a hint. He's a doctor. And he wears a black derby hat. Do you know whose hat he's wearing? Also, let me know in the comments below. That's some fun trivia for you. Wow, we got some nice coral color. It's not really coming out pink though. Let's try to make it a little bit lighter for Hamm. So cute. And we have a little Hamm right here. Super cute. Now this set doesn't come with white, so if you have white at home, you'll be able to mix those two colors to make that. Now let's try to make their alien using their little imprint over here. We have some green left. We might have to take away the green Woody. Here's our little alien. And they use purple. Let's see if we have enough purple. Oh, he's so cute, like as a whole one. Oh, let's just make all different separate colors. You can also make this cool imprint over here. Let's do that with some purple Play-Doh. Now these letters should be S and R for Space Ranger. Oh, that came out really nice. See? It says space, well, it says S and R for Space Ranger, and it has a space shuttle right in the middle. And there's his spaceship. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, you could make Zurg. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, this is just like, there's no directions with my set, so I just keep discovering all these little areas. So awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's make the rocket, and then we're gonna make Zurg. That came out really cool. Let's just leave it like that because we're gonna need some purple. Now, who is Zurg? Is Zurg Buzz Lightyear's father? Let me know in the comments below. Now, Zurg is black and purple, and he has some red, but I don't have any black, And to save time, I am just gonna make him purple. Let's just add this in, and then you can just press really hard, and let's see what happens. Magic! So cool! Wow, that looks so awesome! Let's hope he got connected. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite Play-Doh figure I ever made, ever in my life. So cool! Are there any more tricks up his sleeve over here? Let's see. Nothing. Okay, so with Buzz Lightyear, you can make his laser beam, you can make his rocket ship, you could make the Space Ranger logo, you could lift up his jetpack, and you can make Zurg. In the back of his legs, you can also make Alien and Hamm. And with the Woody cookie cutter, you can cut out Woody. The Woody cookie cutter, and we have the Mr. Potato Head cookie cutter, and we have Rex Dinosaur's safety scissors. Let me know which was your favorite Play-Doh creation in the comments below. Which one do you like, Forky? Wow, I think Zurg is my favorite one too. Oh my gosh, it's totally my favorite also. Yes, he looks really super cool. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tubi Toys. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you're looking for your own Play-Doh set, find it at Target and at Walmart. Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.